Hi, I'm Ron. Hey, oh, hey, ha, ha. Yeah, that's quite enough, Ron. Oh, come on now. Get the phone, will ya? Okay, fine. The mayor wants us to go and catch a giant mutant bus. But I don't want to, Bob. I want to go and watch TV. Well, too bad. We're going. I still want to watch TV. Well, I don't care. We're going to catch a... How are we going to catch this bus? This mutant bus. I've got an idea. Are you sure this is safe? 90% positive. Okay, I'll go. There's the bus. After it. Go, go, go. Bob, step on the gas. Step on the... Yeah. Oh, come on. You wimp. You'll never catch him this way. This is too slow. Okay, that's fast. Whoa. Whoa, stop. Oh, gee. Oh, come on. I just finished waxing that. You did? Yeah. Didn't you see me? Looked at him. Waxing this bus. Oh, missed the spot. What? Can't a guy have an obsession with waxing buses?